Hi, I'm back with another video. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. This time we're going to talk about massage oil for pain, sore joints, sore muscles. Um, this right here, I have a lot of foot issues and they subscribed this for me. Did not work for me. So let's get this out the way. Went to see about 3 or 4 doctors and they prescribed that. So what we've got here is Hemp Seed, Blue Lotus, and Arnica. Okay, so Arnica is used for treating bruises, pain, sore muscles, joints. And when you get it, you want to get there are several species, okay? So you want to get the Montana because it contains anti-inflammatory compounds called helene, I might be butchering this word, halatoline. I think that's what it's called. Okay. So you want to get that and make sure you dilute it first because it can be very toxic to the skin. Okay. And then we're going to talk about the Blue Lotus. Okay. So Blue Lotus is mostly used as a sleep aid, anxiety reliever, and it's also a natural aphrodisiac. It helps with muscle control, erectile dysfunction, and sexual desire, ecstasy, and euphoria. Okay, the active ingredient, one of the things is alkaloids that absorb through the skin, and it when you give a massage with this, the giver benefits from it as well as the receiver. Okay, it's very euphoric. All right, and it also promotes good well-being, makes you happy, keeps you relaxed and calm. So what I did here, this is double infused with Arnica and Blue Lotus. Okay, and the oil that I used was coconut oil. And it was clear. This was clear. And this has cured for 2 months, the cold press method. Okay. And this oil right here is what it looks like once it has been double infused and cured for 2 months. You see that beautiful yellow color? That is what you want. Once you put that coconut oil in there, and it just it cures for that long, that's the look that you want. Okay, so we're going to talk about hemp oil now. This is hemp seed oil. There's a difference between the two. Now you've got CBD oil and you've got hemp oil and you've got hemp seed oil, which derives directly from the seeds, which contains little to none CBD or THC. Okay, but if you get the hemp oil, that does have traces of CBD and THC, but in small amounts. Now, if you get the CBD oil, that consists of the flowers, the plant, but it has no seeds in it. And it also consists of the stems. So what I did here, I went ahead and put in my Blue Lotus and my hemp seed. Okay, so what we are going to do now is I'm going to pour in my hemp seed oil. And oh, by the way, I had my husband measure for me. How much did you say this was, sweetie?
57.
57
grams.
57 grams. See, y'all, I'm on it this time. I'm on it. Now, what was this right here? This is
87.
This is the Blue Lotus and the Arnica oil, which all of these have anti-inflammatory benefits and are wonderful, wonderful for pain. I didn't even get my stir. I'm just going to grab this right here and just whisk this together really quick. Like I still got a little left in there. We want to get all that. Now, like I said, it's not as strong. The hemp seed oil is not as strong as the regular hemp oil and the CBD oil, but it does have anti-inflammatory properties. And right now, I'm just going to add the Blue Lotus Absolute, and we're going to do about 15 drops in here, okay? So okay. And this smells amazing, you guys. This is absolutely amazing. And I also sell this oil on my site. It is a Blue Lotus Aphrodisiac massage oil. Thanks, sweetie. Okay. Now I'm just gonna fill this one up. Oh, I should have poured it in the thing. I wish y'all could smell this. God, it smells so good. A little bit of Blue Lotus Absolute goes a long way, let me tell you. Okay. And I'm just going to add in some vitamin E oil. So a couple of drops. Okay. For the skin. Because this is a massage oil. And you can also use this in your bath water. Okay. So I'm going to give it a shake. Oh God, that smells so good. And this is the final product.